I've been joined by Y.S. Sharmila, who has started her Praja Prasthanam. It's a 400-day-old walk which will last for 4,000 kilometers. I've been joined by herself, by Sharmila herself. And first of all, it's 400-day long, 4,000 kilometers. You're looking to break the record of your own brother and father. How does it feel?
No, no, no. There is no hard and fast rule that we should do it for 400 days. We could probably do less or probably do more. This is just an estimate, and I'm not trying to break anybody's record anywhere. This is an attempt to connect to the people of Telangana.
All
This is
right.
an attempt to get the people to come out and speak of their problems. That way, we are highlighting the problems of the people and thereby working toward a solution.
Ma'am, what do you say to the naysayers that you might not have that much of an impact with your Padayatra as what your father and your brother had? What do you like to say to them?
Let time speak.
Okay, that's quite simple. So, ma'am, now that you've established your party, when you did that, what was your aim and what do you think of achieving when you established YSRTP?
YSR Telangana Party was brought into force because the people of Telangana were denied justice. The ruling party was neglecting the people of Telangana, and the opposition parties failed to do their part for the people of Telangana. They failed to raise the questions, issues of Telangana, they failed to bring solutions to the people of Telangana. Today in Telangana, the fact is that there is no logical or practical opposition. Voting for Congress party has proved to be the same as voting to TRS party, because those who got elected from the Congress party are today in fact in TRS party. They have ditched the choice of the people. They have in fact dishonored the people by getting elected from one party and then switching to another party. So every party here in Telangana is working hand in glove with the government. And because there is absolutely no opposition, no one to speak up for the people, that's the only reason YSR Telangana party has come into force.
All right. Now, this is something which you've told about the opposition parties, but you as a party, what is your vision for Telangana?
My father had a great vision. He kind of integrated welfare and development in such a way that the state just thrived. I think thinking for the good of the people of Telangana is of prime importance now, because YSR had shown them what welfare means. He had shown them that poor students can study free of cost. He had shown them that poor people can have access to corporate medical facilities, that too free of cost. He had actually shown them that it's possible to be a farmer and still be at a profit. He had shown the women that with just almost interest-free loans, they can stand on their own feet. So all this the people have seen, and then suddenly all of these were deprived. So the prime importance now is that we try and deliver all that YSR delivered first, because the people of Telangana definitely deserve more than what they are getting now.
Yes, exactly. And now, now when you decided to start the party, there was this problem with where your own brother party people from his party, Sajjala Ramakrishna, said that manakem sambandham ledu. They kind of distance themselves from your this thing. So, how difficult is it that when people from your own family kind of distance themselves from your initiative, which you had planned for such a long time?
It is difficult, but it's not impossible.
Right. So now that your mother is supporting and how exactly your brother's distance is, so is it okay, that they are working in a different state, you're working here, so how easy or difficult is it?
Time will tell. All I need is for the people of Telangana to accept me as their own, to
All right.
bless me as their own.
All right. Ma'am,
They've
one
known
final
YSR
question
since
now.
a
Now
long,
that
long time. So I do not think they see me as an outsider. They see me as YSR's daughter.
yes,
They see me as somebody they know. They see me as the daughter of somebody who's actually benefited them. They're actually grateful, and when they greet me with all of their hearts, and that gives me immense joy. So I've never had the feeling that, I don't have the support of somebody, or I've never felt that. I think
And of course, your father obviously he made sure that Padyatra is the biggest political weapon to get back into power. One final question, ma'am. What do you think? Prashant Kishore has offered to support you. What will be his role here with his working with your party?
he's a strategist. What will his role be?
So you don't want to share it right now.
The
Okay.
only strategist things is that he has to make us win. So
All right, ma'am. If it comes to a scenario where you would like to get into an alliance with the parties which are already here, what will be your take? Like, whom do you think was you'll probably go with along with to align to ensure that you probably capture power in the next assembly and national elections?
I do not think we will ally with anybody, because the whole reason we are in politics today is because every party, existing party in Telangana, has utterly disappointed the people of Telangana. We are disappointed with the parties in Telangana, and that's the reason we are here. So we do not think we will ally with anybody at all.
All right, ma'am. All the best for your entire Padayatra and hope you come out successfully as your father and your brother. Thank you so much.